Most people don't realize their energy crashes, brain fog, and even faster aging could be coming from tiny, overlooked parts of their cells until it's too late. You know that feeling when you wake up tired, no matter how much sleep you get? Or when you hit that mid-afternoon slump and reach for another coffee just to keep going? What if I told you the real problem isn't your sleep or caffeine intake? It's your mitochondria, the microscopic power plants inside your cells. And if they're weak, you're not just low on energy, you could be cutting years off your life. Every single cell in your body, except red blood cells, has mitochondria. They turn food and oxygen into ATP, the energy your body runs on. But over time, they get damaged. Toxins, stress, poor diet, and even normal aging wear them down. And when mitochondria fail, you don't just lose energy, your cells start dying faster. Studies show mitochondrial dysfunction is linked to chronic fatigue, faster aging, and diseases like Alzheimer's, diabetes, and heart failure. In fact, research suggests weak mitochondria could shorten lifespan by decades because when your cells can't repair themselves, your body breaks down faster. Here's the good news: you can rebuild your mitochondria. Imagine having the energy you did in your 20s, sharper focus, and a body that ages slower. It's not science fiction, it's science. Certain nutrients act like mitochondrial fertilizer, helping them regenerate and work efficiently again. For example, PQQ doesn't just protect mitochondria, it helps your body grow new ones. CoQ10 supercharges ADP production, and alpha-lipoic acid recycles antioxidants to keep mitochondria clean. These aren't just theories, clinical trials prove they work. That's why I'm excited to tell you about Mitolan, a breakthrough mitochondrial supplement designed to repair, protect, and energize your cells. It combines the most powerful mitochondria-boosting ingredients like bioactive CoQ10, PQQ, and L-Carnitine in the exact doses shown in studies to reverse mitochondrial decline. People using Mitolan report more energy within days, better mental clarity, and even improved workout recovery because their cells are finally getting the fuel they need. Remember, your mitochondria don't just affect your energy today, they determine how fast you age. Research from Harvard and the Mayo Clinic shows that supporting mitochondrial health can slow cellular aging, reduce inflammation, and even activate longevity genes. Without healthy mitochondria, no anti-aging cream, diet, or exercise routine will work as well because your cells can't keep up. If you're ready to take control of your energy and your lifespan, click the link below to try Mitolan today. Your mitochondria won't repair themselves overnight, but with the right support, you could feel the difference sooner than you think. Don't wait until you're exhausted or facing a health crisis. Your cells are counting on you now. Tap the link in the description and start your journey to unstoppable energy and a longer, healthier life. Think about it. What if the reason you've been struggling isn't you, it's your mitochondria? And what if the solution was just one click away?